Hey guys, welcome back to another class. Please, if you are just coming to this class for the first time, make yourself comfortable and don't forget to click that subscribe button and share this video if you love what you are seeing. To all my subscribers, you all are the best. To my viewers, you are part of the growth. Thank you all so much. I am really grateful. Thank you all so much. So guys, in today's video, I am going to show you some of the DIY activities that I use with my child, okay? For the standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and curve, okay? This is what I use to teach my child, okay? You can see this is a plain sheet, okay? This is a plain sheet. I have to make a picture. I have to draw a picture of a butterfly. You can see a butterfly and a flower vase, a flower and the vase, okay? Then before I traced, I did this, okay? Why I did all these things is for my lesson to be interesting, okay? Because if I'm to teach this with my child, the first thing that I'm going to ask my child is, what is this? This is a butterfly. And what is this? This is a flower or a flower vase, okay? So I can easily tell the child to trace from the butterfly to the flower. Do you see it now? So it looks interesting when I have pictures on what I am teaching the child and colors as well. So for this, after making this, so I have to get, you can see this nylon that I use in putting it. You can get this in a bookshop, okay? In any bookshop you can get it. So I have to put it here because this is what I use almost all the time with my child. I wouldn't like to be making a sketch every day, often and on, in order to make a standing line or other ones, okay? So I just have to do it like this so that I can easily do it. And if my child finish this, I can pick another one and he will start using it also and you start tracing it. So what I do is I'll get a crayon, okay? You can as well use a marker, a whiteboard marker, but I prefer using a crayon because that is the shape of a pencil. That is why I love using crayon, okay? So you will tell the child to trace from the butterfly down to the flower, or down to the flower, okay? It's more better. Trace from the butterfly down to the flower. Trace from butterfly down to the flower. Another thing is that you can as well say standing line, okay? So anyone that is convenient for you, you can use it, okay? So another thing is that I am going to erase this, okay? So I'll be able to use it again. Maybe your child has finished tracing it and you want him or her to repeat it again. So you have to clean it. You have to clean it and you have to repeat it again. Okay, maybe to make it more fun, I can pick color blue. This is color blue, okay? Down, okay, from the butterfly down, okay? Standing line, okay? You see it. So after this, you can easily do what? Clean it. You can easily clean it. So that is it. That is it, guys. So the next one is sleeping line. This is a ladder. Okay. Actually, I did not clean this one. So this is a ladder. So this is like this: sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and so on. That is it for the sleeping line. So this is the right slanting line. Okay, you tell the child to trace it. You trace it. The next one is the left slanting line. Trace it. Okay. The next one is the upward curve. You can see that I have picture of a fish. Okay, sorry guys. I have a cloud here. This is a cloud and this is a rain. Okay, you tell the child to trace the rain down. Trace the rain, trace the rain, trace the rain. Okay, unlike this one, tell the child to trace the rain, trace the rain. Okay, so this one I have picture of a fish just for it to look attractive, okay, and interesting. So this is the upward curve. Upward curve, upward curve, upward curve, and so on. And this is the downward curve. This is a rainbow. Okay, and you can see the cloud. Okay, so you can, I pick another color to trace the rainbow. Okay, downward curve, downward curve. Okay, that is it. The next one is the right curve. You can see that I have picture of a cup here. For the right curve, like this. Okay, right curve, and make sure you continue to say it with the child. Right curve, right curve, right curve, and so on. So the left curve is, this is a balloon. For the left curve, it's more better and easier for you to do it like this. Left curve, okay, left curve, left curve, left curve, and so on. So I added another one, a circle. And what is the name of this object? This is a ball. Okay, this is a ball, and the child have to trace it anti-clockwise. Okay, you can see the arrow. The child have to trace it like this. Okay, a circle, a circle, a circle, a circle, and so on. So that is it for the circle. So I have another alternative. If you cannot make the pictures own, you can do something like this. Okay, this is also okay. After making the slant lines, you just put, I used a pen marker here, or you can as well use a crayon, okay, just for it to look colorful. So you tell the child to trace it from dot to the next dot. Okay, so that is what I did here. So you can as well do this. So this is for the slanting line, and this is for standing line, sleeping line, and I have here standing line, sleeping here, standing line, sleeping here, and so on. So the next one is the upward curve. You can see the dots that I have here. For the upward curve, okay, like this: upward curve, upward curve, upward curve, upward curve. Okay, then for the downward curve, from the dot to the next dot to the next dot to the next dot. Downward curve from this dot to this dot to the next. So that is it. So for the right and left curve, this is for the right curve from this dot to the next dot. Okay, from this dot to the next dot, from this dot to the next dot. Okay, to the next dot. For the left curve, from this dot, that is for the left curve, left curve, left curve, left curve, left curve. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful and you've learned something from this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Share it out. If you have already subscribed, share it out. Share it to someone else. Don't hold it alone. Don't know it alone. Give to someone else to learn. We learn every day. That is all about learning. I learned this and I wish to share it with you. Please share it to someone else to learn.